It's Tuesday, so that means 2 days until Thanksgiving, and I'm getting some Thanksgiving prep done. I am not cooking the entire Thanksgiving meal. Of course, this Thanksgiving is different than any other Thanksgiving before. So what we have planned, since in our state of Oregon, we can't have any social gatherings with more than 6 people, and there's 8 people in our household because my mom moved in with us, 5 kids, me and Jeff and my mom, 8 people, which means we don't qualify for any social gatherings, or we're just a perpetual social gathering in and of ourselves. So anyways, the plan is that even though we can't be all together with the rest of the family and have dinner together, we're still going to all cook a big section of the meal and then share with each other. So my mom is making pecan pies, and so my 2 brothers will each get one, and we'll have one here for ourselves. And then my older brother is smoking a turkey, and he's going to be giving some to all of us. And I'm going to be making our cranberry sausage apple stuffing and sharing that around. So everyone's going to get some of the meal, and it's kind of like we're all having a shared meal together, even though we don't actually get to eat together. So anyways, what I have to prep mainly, I'm making some cranberry sauce, and it's my honey sweetened cranberry sauce recipe that I did a video on last year, and I will post that in the cards. I also have a blog post with the printable recipe, so I'll link that down below. My cranberry apple sausage stuffing is also on the blog, so I'll link that down below. I don't have a video on that one, but I do have the recipe all typed out on the blog where you can print it off. And then the last thing that I'm making is some sweet potato mushroom hash. I grabbed some sweet potatoes last time I was at the store, not really knowing what I wanted to do with them, just knowing that I wanted to have some sweet potatoes with our Thanksgiving. I ended up deciding on a mushroom sweet potato hash, and I actually need to go get mushrooms for that. I thought I had everything I needed for our whole meal, but of course you always, have those couple little things that you have to run to the store for. I'm going to grab a few more herbs because I need those for the stuffing, and then I also need them for the hash, and I don't think I'm going to have enough. Of course, I want to use fresh herbs for that. I also need to, I was going to grab some more celery. I just grabbed 1 small celery. I figure I should probably grab 1 more just to be safe. So I'm about to head to the store and just grab those few little things. So I think I have everything I need now for all of our prep, and I'm not gonna get started on it yet. I think I'm gonna do it first thing tomorrow, so I will see you bright and early. I got 1 of my 2 loaves of bread baked this morning. I told you all about my no-knead daily bread that I've been making recently. And I went ahead and got 2 more batches of the dough ready for 2 loaves for tomorrow, so we'll have some nice fresh bread on Thanksgiving. I've made a few adjustments to my bread making just to make it easier, and one of the things is doing it in 2 separate bowls if I'm going to do 2 separate loaves. And that makes it easy because I don't have to use my hands to separate the dough and get all sticky and stuff. When I am ready to bake, it's already in its little lump there, and so I don't even have to touch it at all. So that's nice. That's ready to go. I have the second loaf for today in the oven, and cranberry sauce is done. And I need to mix up the sausage for the sausage, apple, cranberry stuffing. And then I need to do a bunch of vegetable dicing, like the celery and onion and all that for the stuffing. And then I'm also going to dice up the sweet potatoes for the sweet potato hash. Oh, Poey. Oh, Poey. Oh, sit down, Po. Wipe your feet. Wipe your feet, Po. Oh, it's right there. Okay, you can go. Good morning. You got your cart? What do you have in your cart this morning? Oh, can I see? Oh, you got all your cars. Every day this boy comes out with his cart filled with cars. And sometimes with his blankie too. Right? Sometimes you just have hand-me-downs from big sisters. And you just got to make it work. Right, Levi? What are you reading? Yeah. What is that, like the 15th one in the series?
If all the books you put together, this is the
8th?
8th.
Ooh, that's a cool car. 8th. Look, you want to try some?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Ready to taste it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
No, you don't like it?
No.
You don't like the cranberry sauce?
No.
I'm so sorry. I thought you would love it. Charity, can you show everybody what you and Nana made yesterday? And the other girls made too.
Made these things.
Thanksgiving,
Yeah, Thanksgiving cards.
like place cards for where people sit. Even though we're not all going to be together at the same table, everyone's going to have their own place card. Even even Bowie. Oh yes, we're so thankful for Bowie. How did you do these little turkey feathers?
We laid together little pieces of ribbon, I think.
No, not ribbon. It's, what is it called? Tissue paper.
And we folded it one way like this, and we folded it under, and then we stapled one side. We pulled.
And then you pulled them open and fanned them out.
And I made that. A family of turkeys.
A family of turkeys. That's the truth. You're a turkey if I ever saw one. This is the end of the Thanksgiving prep video part 1. Come back again tomorrow for part 2, where I put together all of the stuffing, roll the dates, and all that kind of fun stuff. Hope you guys have a really wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'll see you again tomorrow.